Good day to you, sir. We are the Group 8 and we are about to report Great Circle Distance. I am Deck Cadet Perez Martristan and my fellow members are Deck Cadet Ponce Javen, Deck Cadet Povadora Maria Teresa, Deck Cadet Quiapo Jovert, and Deck Cadet Tindugan Takacho. The problem is a vessel from latitude 35 degrees and 27 minutes north and longitude 139 degrees and 39 minutes east sailed to latitude 37 degrees and 48 minutes north and longitude 122 degrees and 20 minutes west. Find the GCD, D-LOT, D-long, initial course angle, initial course true, final course angle, and final course true. So to start finding D-LOT. A vessel from latitude 35 degrees and 27 minutes north and longitude 139 degrees and 39 minutes east sailed to latitude 37 degrees and 48 minutes north and longitude 122 degrees and 28 minutes west. In this given, the latitudes are these two. In finding D-LOT, when the names of the two latitudes are the same, subtract the smaller latitude from the greater latitude and naming it according to its direction. In Rule 1, when the names of the two latitudes are the same, subtract. The operation is subtract. And our given latitudes have the same name. When the names of the two latitudes are different, add both latitudes and name it according to its direction. In this rule, rule number 2, it does not apply to our given, because our given have the same name. This is our given. Latitude 1, latitude 2. The operation will be subtraction, because they have the same name, north and north. Subtraction. Latitude 1 minus latitude 2 equals 2 degrees and 21 minutes south. Why south? Because it is the direction. According to rule number 1, name it according to its direction. In latitude 1 going to latitude 2, the direction is going south. Therefore, the answer is south. So the D-LOT for the given problem is 2 degrees and 21 minutes south. That's all.
So solve first for the difference of longitude d long. Here's the formula in getting d long. If same name, subtract. If different name, plus. Note, affix name of direction. If d long is greater than 180, subtract it to 360 and then affix name of long 1. Longitude 1 equals 139 degrees 39 minutes S. Longitude 2 equals 122 degrees 20 minutes west. We are going to add this because to find d long, different name we are going to add it, and same name we subtract. So long from equals 39 degrees 39 minute S. Long in equals 32 degrees 20 minutes west. So 261 degrees 59 minutes S minus 360. So the answer is D long equals 98 degrees 1 minute S.
Good day, I'm Cadet Povadora and my topic is about how to get the distance of great circle. So the formula is cos GCD equals cos D low times cos lat 1 times cos lat 2 and sin lat 1 times sin lat 2. So cos D low which is 98 degrees and 01 minutes times cos 35 degrees and 27 minutes times cos lat 2 which is 37 degrees and 48 minutes and sin 35 degrees and 27 minutes times sin lat 2 which is 37 degrees and 48 minutes. So cos 98 degrees and 01 minute is negative 0.13946 times cos 35 degrees 27 minutes, it is 0.81462. Then times cos 37 degrees and 48 minutes, which is 0.79016. And for sin 35 degrees and 27 minutes is 0.57999 times sin 37 degrees and 48 minutes, which is 0.61291. So the answer of negative 0.13946 times 0.81462 times 0.79016 is negative 0.8977. Then the answer of 0.57999 times 0.61291 is 0.35548. Then add it together, negative 0.08977 plus 0.35548 is equal to 0.26571. Then 74.59085 multiplied by 60 equals 447 nautical mile. 4475 divided by 60 equals 74.58 to 74 degrees and 35 minutes. So the answer is, so the distance is 4475 nautical mile.
Good day, sir. I'm Deck Cadet Capo Jobert S from Group 8. Today's video, I'm going to show how to solve the initial course angle. So here's the solution. So this is the solution on how to solve the initial course angle. So the formula of this is cosine initial course angle equals sine latitude 2 minus the open parenthesis cosine GCD, or the great circle distance, times the sine latitude 1. So over the sine GCD times cosine latitude 1. So next is we need to substitute the latitude 2 GCD and the latitude 1. So sine, so our latitude 2 is 37 degrees and 48 minutes minus the cosine. So our great circle distance will be which is the 74 degrees and 35 minutes times our latitude 1 is 35 degrees and 27 minutes. So over, so copy the sign, our degrees of the great circle distance 74 degrees and 35 minutes times cosine our latitude 1 is 35 degrees and 27 minutes. So the next step is to calculate the sine. What is the sine of 37 degrees and 48 minutes? So we need, of course, we need to use the scientific calculator. So sine 37 degrees and 48 minutes, the answer is 0.61291. So we need to round this into 1. So 0.61291. So minus the So the cosine of this 74 degrees and 35 minutes is 74 and 35 minutes is 0.0.26584 times the sine of the 35 degrees and sine 35 degrees and 37 minutes is 0.0.57999. So next, the sine of the 74. So sine 74 degrees and 35 minutes is 0.96402 times the cosine 35 degrees and 37 minutes is 0.81462. So the next is we need to multiply first the inside the parentheses. So 0.26584 multiplied by 0.5799. So the answer will be 61291. So answer will be 0.1418. So copy the over, bring down the 0.96402 times 0.81462. So the next is we need to subtract this. So 0.691 minus the 0.15418. So the answer will be 0.45873. So afterwards, so we need to multiply this. We need to multiply the denominator. So 0.96402 times 0.896.02 times 0.81462. The answer will be 0.78531. So after that, we need to divide this, the numerator and denominator. So 0.45873 divide by 0.788531. So the answer will be 0.58414. So we need to shift cost in order to get the degrees. So cos cosine 0.58414. So the answer will be 52 degrees and 35 minutes. So our initial course is initial course angle is north 54 degrees 25 minutes east. So our final course, our initial course through will be 0.54 degrees, point degrees through. So our initial course through is 0.54.25 degrees. So that's and that's all for the initial course angle and also the initial course through. So that's the solution to show you to how to solve the initial course angle and also the initial course through. Thank you.
So good teacher. So I'm going to proceed to by topic. Find the final course angle and the final course through. So here are the formula to find the final course angle and the final course through. So the cosine final course equals sine latitude 1 minus open parenthesis cosine with circle distance times latitude 2 close parenthesis divided by sine with circle distance times cosine latitude 2. Next is we're going to substitute. So our sine latitude 1 is 35 degrees and 57 minutes minus open parenthesis cosine 74 degrees 35 minutes times our sine latitude 2 is 37 degrees 48 minutes divided by sine our great circle distance is 74 degrees and 35 minutes times cosine latitude 2 which is the 37 degrees and 48 minutes. So first is we are going to solve first is in the inside in the parenthesis which is the cosine 74 degrees 35 minutes times sine 37 degrees 48 minutes. So we're going to solve this cosine 74 degrees 35 minutes to get this answer 0.26584. So next is we are going to solve this sine 37 degrees 48 minutes to get this answer 0.61291. We are going to multiply this to get this answer. So 0.26,584 times 0.61291 equals 0.60,294. So we are going to solve this sine 35 degrees 57 minutes to get this answer 0.57 degrees 989. So next is we are going to solve this the denominator or the sine 74 degrees 35 minutes to get this answer 0.96402. Next is we are going to solve this cosine 37 degrees 48 minutes to get this answer 0.79016. So next is we are going to solve this. So 0.57999 minus 0.16294 divided by 0.96402 times 0.79016. So first is we are going to subtract this. So we're going to subtract 0.57,199 minus 0.60,194 to get this answer 0.41,705. So next is we are going to multiply this our denominator. So 0.96,402 times 0.79016 to get this answer 0.76173. So next is we are going to divide this 0.41,705 0.41,705 divided by 0.76,173. So to get this answer 0.54,750. To get this answer, we're going to shift cosine 0.54,750 to get the answer of 56,804,329. So to get the final course angle, we are going to shift degree 56,804 to 804,359 to get our final course angle. So our final course angle is south 56.80 degrees east. So why we use this name? So because our ship is from south going to east. So to get our final course, we simply subtract by 180 because our vessel is from south going to east. So we subtract 180 degrees minus 56.80 degrees. 6.80 degrees equals, so we get this answer. We get this answer 123.2 degrees true. So our final course true is 123.2 degrees true. So here, that's all for my topic, all about finding the final course angle and final course true. So to check all the answer and also my group members answer, so we can use the navigation calculation. So we proceed to the navigation calculation to check are all answers if it is correct.